Hello, good morning everybody, I hope you're well. Today you join me on the Mediterranean Sea as we are in Larnaca, Cyprus, and today we'll be flying to Valletta in Malta. Now, we're not doing this trip on any old EasyJet or Ryanair flight today, no. We are taking a Boeing 777-300ER aircraft with no other than Emirates. That's right, Emirates. Emirates operates this fifth freedom route between Cyprus and Malta once daily with their Boeing 777. Now the flight originates in Dubai, goes to Larnaca, stops over, then goes on to Malta, back to Larnaca and back to Dubai. So why do Emirates operate this route? Now I think it's probably not commercially viable to operate two aircraft half full from Dubai to Cyprus and Dubai to Malta, hence why they operate this fifth freedom route. And actually, when I looked on Skyscanner, there's not many direct flights between the two countries, so Emirates have got a little monopoly here where they can operate this fifth freedom route, pick up some passengers, drop some passengers off and earn a little bit of extra money along the way. And this is what's called a fifth freedom route, and you can jump on a plane, which I'm going to be doing today, halfway through its journey. This flight cost me £215 and it's in economy. We're sat in the back in 48k, but I think this will be a really good way of getting to Malta. So let's head to the airport. Oh, and by the way, this is my first time flying with Emirates, so I'm super excited to see what they're like. Even though it's in an economy ticket, I don't care. I'm sure it's going to be a really good 2.5 hour flight. So check-in, passport control and security took about 20 minutes at Larnaca Airport, which isn't too bad. There's quite a lot of flights going out over the lunchtime period. The Emirates flight is about 25 minutes away, so I'm going to go grab a drink and try and film it as it lands. And there she is, the Boeing 777-300ER aircraft that's going to take us to Malta. She's arrived on time. I'll just offload the passengers that want to get off here in Larnaca, and then we should be boarding in the next 20 minutes to half an hour, so really excited for this one. So after a quick Google, I've just found out that this is the only route that Emirates fly into Europe on a fifth freedom route. Everything else will stop over in Europe or other destinations and then go on, but this is the only one that flies into European countries. Well, welcome to Malta and Valletta and here at the Triton Fountain. That was a really good flight with Emirates. I thought for 2.5 hours for £215 was really good value for money. The crew was super friendly and I had that really nice chicken pasta meal and the flight flew by. I watched one movie. No complaints really, so I really look forward to taking another flight with Emirates and hopefully next time go on a longer flight in business class or first class. So really good.